Hello, beautiful planner girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn from Digital Plans, and I am so beyond excited about this spread. We do have this beautiful kit by Planner Pixie Co. It is called Salem Sisters. I have not seen a lot of kits from like this artwork, just like a couple of shops, and this is one of the shops that I really like. They are, I think, a little bit more expensive than I normally get, which is like Pink Planner Shop, Paper Crown Planner, etc. But I think it's kind of worth it because I can really see the details and really see like a lot of work put into it. So I kind of feel like, yes, they're a little bit more expensive, but I totally find them worth it. And I absolutely had to have this artwork because I think it is just so cute. Today is the day, you guys. The new movie is coming out. Hocus Pocus 2 is coming out, so I cannot wait to see it. This probably will go up after the fact, but I am so beyond excited, you guys. So, of course, we're going to be using some foil. This is special foil made just for this kid. And I am so excited. I think it's going to look so freaking cute. I don't know which one I'm going to use. Like, I want to use it all. And I do have this in purple, so we'll see. Maybe we'll add some purple accents and just like, have fun with a planner. So, let's go ahead and get started. This is this week. We are here on Friday, so I cannot fill this up like right now, so I'm doing like a pre-plan because I just really want to play with the stickers and lay them down and just have like this really beautiful spread. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go in with my full boxes. Definitely gonna use a tall box. We have, I think this is it. This is really cute. I really like this one. Come little children. That's really funny. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. I definitely want to add some washi. I also saw something really interesting in this kit. I'll show you in a second. But they have this like huge box, and I think you're supposed to use it in like 4, maybe 2. I don't know. We'll see. I definitely want to play around with it because that's like a unique thing that I've never seen done in any other kit. So I'll show you in a second. I just want to put my washi down here. And I'm going to have to stretch a little bit. This is weird. It's like a weird washi size because I never have this problem. I also think you're supposed to leave a little bit of separation between these ones because these are like smaller washes. I don't know. Like this is a different kit, of course. But this is the crazy, where is it? This is the crazy big. I don't know where. Like, are you supposed to use it in like 4? I think you are supposed to use it in like 4 boxes or something crazy. But it's like a huge kind of element that I don't think I'm ready. I don't think I'm ready for that, you guys. I do really love this spread. Like anything with like a good food spread, I'm a sucker for it. So I definitely want to put that up there. And then I guess we're gonna put here like one of the girls. I cannot wait to go ahead and watch this movie. It is Friday, so I think Friday night is gonna consist of me, popcorn, and Hocus Pocus 2. I really like this box as well. Okay. That's nice. What else? We can do here, and then we can do the double box here. Shall we? I'm gonna do another one of the witches. This is so cute. Then let's go up and do... Oh, I thought we're doing a double box, right? Are we doing a double box here or here? I feel like we should do it here or maybe even here. So maybe here we'll do like a layout. I really like this one. I don't know why I didn't. There we go. I really love these with the hands. They look like super witchy. Love that. Okay. Then here we can do, I guess, the other girl. Shall we do this one? And then we'll do the double box like at the bottom. Like we could do it here or here. I feel like we should do it here. I don't know. This spread makes absolutely no sense because I don't really use like any of the conventional ways of doing it. Like I didn't have like a pattern, if that makes sense. I'm just like, I mean, it kind of goes like this, kind of, so it's not too insane. I really want to use the zombie. I guess we're not. It comes with a ton of different options, so I guess we can't use all of them. And I definitely want to use here a big label. Pink's cute. And I need to make this a little bit bigger to match these. Put it on top. And then maybe more in the middle. There we go. Okay, that's cute. We definitely need our date covers. And I really like these date covers. This is like a little bit of extra effort I can see in this kit because normally you just have like a regular color. And that matches really well. You know, you have like a little bit of extra pop right there, which I do really like and appreciate. And of course, we are going to go ahead and transform this kit with some foil. That's like my thing. Like if I don't use foil, my YouTube channel has been stolen. Okay, and then we're gonna do this one right here. Cute. Really like this. Okay. What else can we do? Am I gonna do like oh, I definitely, please don't forget to use these. I definitely want to use those. Shall we do heathers? I feel like we shall do heathers, but also I really just want to go and play with my foil. Am I allowed to say it? I think I am. Underlays. There we go. This is a special foil and I just love it. You also get some deco beads, but I definitely want to go ahead and see what am I doing with the washi. I feel like we could add some of these because this doesn't have a ton of like orange, and I want to bring some of the orange, which is, this is more like a coppery color, but I think that's cute. And then here on top, I definitely maybe want to add the bows. I really do like the bows. I think I'm doing the bows here on top. I mean, like I need to add bows to the spread. Okay, that's really nice. No, this is like the small one, right? Yes. We need the long strip. Okay, I think that's really cute. And then let me go ahead and play with the frames. Quotes. We do have some quotes in here as well, which is just so exciting. I kind of feel like, shall we do Hocus Pocus? Oh, also, we could just go ahead and use these here. Maybe I will crop it and I'll just use this part. And then we'll add like a cute little sticker here, like a character sticker, maybe like a TV sticker. I don't know, something like that. That's so cute. Okay, yes to the foil. I really like this one. We just gotta stick together, but we need like a blacker background for this one. Maybe we'll add it in one of these girls. I can feel like here or maybe here. I feel like this one's gonna look cute here, and it's gonna go with her hair. Love that. And then here needs like a border. Okay, I'm having some trouble with my devices recording, and I don't know why it keeps like not recording. We made some decisions though. We have some cute frame, sparkles around, Sanderson sisters flying, and then just like some sparkles to like add a little bit extra, which is gonna stick together, which goes with her hair. And then we just have like more sparkles around, classy witch with a witch flying off to the night. And then on this side we have the Sanderson sisters off flying into the night, which I thought was kind of cute. And then here we just have sparkles, and then this like circle with the Sanderson sisters. So those are the decisions that's been made with the frames and quotes, and I think that looks really cute. I kind of really want to go ahead and see if I have in my special sticker fandom album, if I have any like Hocus Pocus ones. I don't know if I have though, so let's check. Cute Halloween movies maybe. We don't. Oh, yes, we do. I was like, what? Okay. And kind of put her here. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. I do really love the way this looks here. The sidebar is popping. Okay. We love it. Okay, shall we do this regular, the one that I'm using for the rest of the kit, or we can do bougie boxes in purple. This is the witch in purple from the Witches Foil Bundle. I kind of like the purple. I feel like it will add a little bit more cohesiveness because we do have a lot of purple, and that kind of like brings out a little bit more of that. I mean, like, you can definitely go ahead and mix them up as well. I just want to use some of the purple, so I think that'll be really cute with the kit. So I'm gonna do heathers. I'm gonna do full boxes in purple for my bougie boxes in the bold sparkle. What else? Day dots. Definitely need some day dots in the foil from like the special foil from the kit. And then what else? And then I'll be right back, I guess, to like finish up the last touches of the spread. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the October monthly because fun. So I'm definitely gonna white out these. Let's see, and then I'm just gonna go ahead with the October little thing. This comes with the kit, and then definitely gonna add some cute icons here from these, but this is pretty much the way this is looking. I do really love this spread. I am super excited to go ahead and watch Hocus Pocus 2. I hope you guys are enjoying all of the memory planning. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Beautiful, beautiful planner girls, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.